Aloha everybody! It's been a couple weeks since I was able to get on and do a demo for you guys. I've kind of been busy, so sorry. But so today we got 5 waters and we've had a couple like questions, or not questions, but smart ass remarks on some of these demos. So we're going to, what is the word, entertain their little ideas. So one of them was they thought that the ORP wasn't measuring the waters correctly because I dunked from one to the other. So today we're going to entertain the fact and just clean it right after and dump it into the next one. Obviously they didn't watch the video to the end because they would have seen that the same ORP read the Kangen water in a negative. So it was pretty funny. And then, yeah. So thanks again for joining me, you guys. I have a couple new things. I got some chlorine drops here, so I'm interested to try that and see what the tap water reads and stuff like that, what color it turns and things like that. So, and then I got a couple of fun facts that I kind of learned that I want to share with you. I don't know if I may have shared them. If not, you're going to hear them again. So, all right, you guys, let's get started. So today we have H factor, which is hydrogen infused water. Okay, and if you're not sure what hydrogen does for our body, pretty much the hydrogen creates a negative bond around the HO, which makes it an antioxidant. Okay, antioxidant is beneficial for your body. Okay, so we're gonna do both cups today. In cleansing like free radicals and things like that. Okay, so it picks up all the positive charges in your body, which can create like diseases and illness or acidity and things like that, inflammation. Okay, and this one, Pinta, ultra purified water. Okay, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna pour it in both cups because we're gonna measure the pH with the pH drops, which measures the hydrogen, okay, in the water. So if it's a positive, it's rusting your insides. If it's a negative, it's an antioxidant, good for you, okay? Hence why we have all these little tests here. Because we're gonna see which one's backing up what, right? And I'm not talking out of my butt. So I've been like learning for like the last couple weeks and stuff. This one is a natural spring water, Aqua Pana? I don't know, Tuscan. Okay, so our ORP was already calibrated. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so now we're gonna start with, let's see, gotta make sure it doesn't pass my measuring level. So we're gonna start with the H factor, which is the hydrogen infused water, and we're gonna get the reading on that. Wow, that one's in the negative, you guys. Holy smokes, I'm shocked. I'm so shocked. Okay, let's read a little bit more. So, antioxidants activate the enzymes, engage repairing environmental stress, soothing soreness, and amplify energy. They're right on that. Okay, ingredients, purified water and molecular hydrogen gas. Cool. Okay. That one is reading negative 519. And I'm going to bring it over to you guys to show you. Okay. Or at least get a good glimpse of what it is. Maybe I should put it down and then I'll get you guys closer to it there. So can you guys see that? He was in the -5s. But yeah, wow, that's like the only other water besides the Kangen water, and I'm curious to see what the drops look like. Okay, wow, out of 6 demos we've done so far, that's the only one. Okay, so we're gonna just dip that in here real quick. Okay, dab it off for naysayers out there. All right, now we're gonna test Pinta. I don't know how to say that word, you guys. So it's a natural aquifer. Let's see, a 13-step purification process. Holy smokes! To extract all impurities. That's good stuff too, you guys. So, wow. It has fluoride-free, chlorine-free, sodium bicarb. Well, we'll see what the pH drops say after. So this one's reading a positive 340. Okay. So hydrogen was a -5s. Okay, we're not going with exact numbers here, okay? We're just going with like a rough estimate. We're not gonna sit here for like a minute on each one. So this one is reading plus 356, 57, and I'm gonna bring it over here to show you guys that it is in the positive. So, oops, let me see if I can get that in there. So positive, yeah. So if I were to leave it in here, it's going to be positive 3 something. Okay, so that one's a positive charge. We're going to dip it again and clean it for our favorite people out there. Okay, and then we're going to try, which one is this? The Italy water, the natural spring water. We're going to see what this one says. So 1 free radical, you guys, can kill 2 million healthy cells. Okay, so can you imagine you get hit at least 15 times a day with a free radical, and that's 2 million each time dying? Like, that's crazy, right? You don't realize how much our environment has affected us. I was blown away when I learned that. Okay, so Italy water, we're reading a positive. Okay, 270s, 273. But I'm gonna bring it just to show you. Oh, I hit my leg. That it's in the positive. And I'm gonna get this right one day so you guys could see really good. Oh, there, that's a little bit better. Okay, so in the positive. Okay. Clean, clean. Dip, dip. And then we're gonna go for the refresh, the 9.5 alkaline and electrolyte water. Okay, there's so many different brands. It's crazy. I think I put too much water in this one. So it's, oh, I put too much water in that one too. There we go. Sorry, you can't get wet past a certain level. Okay, so this one, purified drinking. So I'm gonna assume it was filtered as well, just like these other ones, 13 times, and added. Okay, this one's not too bad. It's a 184, but still curious to see what the drops have to say. So let me kind of bring that close to you so you can see. Positive. Okay, then our last one here. Oh, see, I almost forgot. Dip it for our people, our naysayers. Give them that peace of mind. So, let's see. Should we try this one? Yeah, that one has enough water. Okay, so this one, alkaline pH 9.0 and electrolyte enhanced beverage. So of course they added it because it's enhanced. Yeah, and they added all these vitamins here for you guys. Okay, so this one is Also reading positive. Okay. And why we're showing, or why I'm showing you guys this, is because anything positive, like I said, is resting your insides, and diseases thrive on acidic bodies versus alkaline bodies. So if you're more alkaline with antioxidants and you take care of yourself and properly hydrate your body, you know, you should be good. But most people don't realize how different the water is. That's my whole purpose of showing you guys this, because I had no idea. So when we learned all about this, when my mom was going through her cancer, we were like so blown away. And I actually gave away my machine, you guys, my $4,900 machine. I totally forgot like the value of it. It was crazy, but the universe was like, nope, send it back to me. And then I hooked it back up, and I was just like, oh my God, what was I thinking? So not only that though, like blood is 90% water. Then you also have your body, which is 75% water. And then your brain is like 80% water. Okay, this one's reading a 285. So water is super beneficial, you guys. Like, and this is just to show you not all water is created equal. Okay, so that's a positive still. Okay, so measuring that part is done. Now we're gonna do the drop test. Oh, actually, here we're gonna measure the Kangen 9.5 again. Of course, I almost forgot that. Okay, and then we're gonna measure our tap. Because of course, you know, I gotta see what our tap has to say with the chlorine, because I can just imagine. And like I said, the other times I learned about all that chlorine and how it soaks up into our body and skin and our food. And it used to be used as a mustard gas. That was like, holy smokes, that's crazy. So let me turn this around. And then I guess we'll get started on the pH drops while that one is kind of reading. So remember, this measures the hydrogen. Okay. And I'll show you on the chart right now. Oh, we got a bunch of different colors here. Okay. So we have our chart here to show you. Okay, we're looking at the top one. Yeah. So the top one, yellow, is acidic. That's not a good, anyways. Okay, so yellow is acidic. If you look towards the top, it's around here. Yeah, for these two. So even though this one measured negative, look at the color. Because of the chemicals. Okay, this one, natural spring. Whoa. Okay, it's alkaline. But remember, it read in the positive. Okay. Wow, this one's turning purple, you guys. This is the antioxidant 9.5. This is like the one my Kangen turns purple. Okay, what is my Kangen saying? I almost forgot about it. You see, I got all excited. So right now we're at -3. Oh, it was 317 and up. Okay, you see the negative, yeah. I'm moving, so the number is gonna move. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna clean our ORP, and then we're gonna put it in the tap. See what the tap has to say. Okay, and then we're gonna put our pH drops inside our Kangen water, okay? This is the one that comes from my machine, from my tap, and the plates electrolyze the water. So there's no chemicals, they filter it, and then whatever else is left is electrolyzed with the titanium plates inside. So it adds the electric charge to the water versus adding the chemicals, yeah? So they had it right. It was -5, but the chemicals still here, yeah? Okay, so mine, 9.5, purple. Okay, tap is reading today 450s. I'm gonna bring it over to you. just leave it like that. How's that? A little bit better. Oh, it's climbing. 520s. Okay, so we know it's hot, right? The tap. So I can't wait to see what the chlorine says on that one. Okay. So we're done with that one. Okay. So we were here, yeah. So the purple is alkaline, which is supposed to be good for you, but it read in the plus. So hence the chemicals put inside to make it alkaline. Okay, same thing with this one. Okay, if you look at the color, it's kind of green. Neutral. Same thing, they're filtered. Okay. Oh, did we ever try putting pH drops inside the tap? If not, let's try it. Yeah, we have. I remember because it turned green. Duh, right? Okay, hence the chemically altered, yeah. So our tap water looks like that one a little bit. Possibly that one. Okay. So now we're gonna do the chlorine drops because I'm curious to see what it says. Oh, so here's another tap one I filled up just so I can put the chlorine drops in. See what happens. Oh, you see that? Holy shit, you guys, it's super yellow. Okay, and that one we're gonna go on the bottom chart. So that one looks like, what does that one look like? That one looks like a 1. And that's in our tap. So every time we shower, that's absorbing into our skin. Okay, because our skin is our largest organ, right? Whoo, that one. Oh, and then I did the Kangen 9.5. Let's see if any chlorine shows up in here. I put a lot of drops. Nothing. No change. See that? And that's the Kangen. All right, let's test these ones. I don't know what's, oops, gonna happen. I kind of shot that. Nothing might not happen because they've been filtered, which is good. At least we know there's no chlorine in there. Whoa, so only our tap water, you guys. And that's like the one thing we use the most of, right? To brush our teeth, our dishes, we give our animals, we use it for cooking. Big no-no. Okay, drops, done. Okay, so now let's take, I filled up the Kangen 9.5 for my machine. We're going to pour it in here and see how fast it changes. So this will show you when you drink this, how fast it can change and hydrate your body. Okay. Purple, cool, fast. Boom, couple sips. Same thing. This one's already purple, so I don't know. Let's just dump it. Lighter purple. Purple. Let's try tap. Turn purple, yeah? Let's try the chlorine water. Whoa. Still went up. Crazy, right? So, yeah, I think that's all I have all for you guys today. Another last thing is that when you starve a cell of oxygen, it has the potential to become cancerous, hence the acidity and all that. So make sure you guys are hydrating properly, okay? I'm showing you which water is beneficial, which isn't, you know, via all the tests I'm doing, because I believe everybody should know this. Like I said, I lost the value, I forgot. And now that I have my own family and I want to do things with them and I love them, I realized that health and wellness is definitely a part of our, you know, being and stuff like that. And ever since losing my mom, it definitely put a kick in my ass to go in the right direction. Hence, everybody has a life challenge, right? That happens with. So, all right, you guys, I just wanted to share that with you today. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be having a special, so if you guys want and are interested in a Kangen machine, I'm going to put out one of the gifts I'm going to be giving away. You have till the end of February to get it. It's like super awesome and amazing. I'm waiting for it, and then I will be able to put up a picture and show you what it looks like. So if you guys buy a machine, you can get the glass bottle that goes with it. It's pretty cool, glass etch. It has amazing graphics from Hawaii. So yeah, I'm super excited to have shared that with you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. It's Friday, and happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a great one. Who's that? Jing. Hi, Jing. So I'll see you guys later. Aloha.